Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi.
Matatu ya chitarikia 23 mutinyo gatatu iga mwancho mwireria umwaka 2025 nomo egetenege chinsa komigoro uregetesenikia kyabene Ensoko TV kumanyiro ngatagwa so SMS ya mngana maya kurende hasenchire yo bwenge hayarbo siona rankwaniganitie senchira yo bwenge nkoro kwa Daniel Omwaga. Eketone yechinsa ikomigoro mwanchu muriria tiko chakandinga nayo goichania ase amateyemo kurwa ase Kenyorokia Igembe Junction imeye ward yabo chibarabu nsemo yebunge ya umachoge barabu igo yabo kino muchano mega yokuboka na konyora omwana obo eserieta Kevin Omwamba gesungetie ase anyarta kwa gosiro ogima bwaye korengana na abamnyi eseme yogose niyo konyora omumroyu agosora iri kwerusha omwoyo bwaye kurwa litsko rigoro.
Batanzin karasi ndagera lakini umwana ukunya tarachanga akabo kunya wakiri ukuparan singabanga kiranga ya tuomwana takine kana gipenga nata batango muntu nawe bwatsi yaje bwangira ko mu tigagenda kwiroro tenga tingo mukwana nanda base kumusiganga kira mwana yakagenda nanda akaira nekera kitatuka mu kuma gato kumu tingini kise tingo nyara kuri mwana yakatugutagata bagutse ya rutia gutsinyi ngamukani ya gutigabana mambuki manyo kwa chibesecho mwana yongine netokara natwaralete twaboka bana mambi twanyora gesungi tunesungeti pero no goichano mwana onega konyora ngotomagaki mwana one konyora ngotomagaki omwamboni tomanete no ndega tomanete ne nkomanete na mwana gaki onye tatu mwa tamu na nini tikene na nene ntona neka akia basana bairi gaki basana bairi munyara gonsabira ni gaki onye no muri no mukongo nyori gaki nyakona no mwana minta kunyara kwerisyo bomari onye no yo gwateteni yae gaki ni gongo sabagaki munyara gutusabira ni enkeye gaki aya na makongo ekene keranye keroro gaki aki mwana minto chire pinto komorora gaki aki mwana minto aki ogenda buya aki mwana minto ogenda buya aki ogenda buya aki keranye kene kerere
Wano maega kuri ikyo goichani mwancho mwereria tigatora nego ikaima rogongo rwa guserwa Nairobi gaiga asebono maega ayo koborasa amatukabire yo kabire mwaziri ime yense ya Kenya muskela file 2 jubono bwesokire na gukwanira igoro yekirete gusira kwaye korengana tuju nigo arenge kubwatibu aso bwange mono n'abantu babwate kigari tabwate kirama plate egento kiretere amo no murendio yakuminyoka goika ase na gwakora boti asegeta seni kyabanyanyimbo na mega yabo ugotama na kwebisa.
I was being followed because it's easy to know when you're being followed. You drive, you slow down, they slow down, you overtake, they try to overtake. And after that incident, of course, I reported to Karen Police Station, and the reference OB that's on Friday is 21/21/03/2026. And I did explain to them that I was a little bit concerned and worried that I'm being followed. Unfortunately, on Saturday evening, I was supposed to be going for an interview at Ramogi Radio. I had made a commitment to go there. Then again, the same vehicle, a Land Cruiser, and this time a little bit more concerning, the vehicle didn't have plate numbers. And having experienced last week when close to 20 police Land Rovers came to my premises and some of them didn't have plate numbers. So I got very worried. I happened to have my aide next to me, but I was the one driving. I tend to drive myself very often. And by the time I reached Karen roundabout, they really closed in. And now they're definitely making sure that back to back with me. So fortunately, I know Karen well. I branched into Nandi Road. They were not able to branch into Nandi Road. If you go, you can see how that road is structured there. So it meant that they either had to turn and face the oncoming traffic to follow me, or they had to go around. That's how I lost them. Of course, I went into some roads within Karen, and I realized that since I was being followed, I'd already reported to the police. I abandoned the vehicle there. Thank you very much. Once again, thank you to all the Kenyans, and my heart goes out to all those Kenyans that are in unmarked graves because they were not lucky enough to escape.
Na tugutigara sense meju eyo mwancho mulgireria nigo bono abarayibande obarenge nerela file tuju mayaga jogo toka kwaye na muno mwakili PLO Lumumba muregwekia makiria kya Patriotic Front Kalonzo Musyoka Eugene Wamalwa moseneta Dan Zamanzo egati yabarayibande abo bagikerie bikorwa bya bwangoiga bya bakenya gochirarwa nonya kongentwa.
We had this interaction yesterday, and all I have to say, all is well that ends well. It is good to see you alive and well, and our hope and prayer is that all matters that may have given birth to this will be litigated in court and dealt with in accordance with the law. Thank you very much.
Well, PLO has spoken, and we are in complete agreement. We thank God that our brother is alive and well. And we know Raphael Tuju, and we know what he has gone through. I have absolutely no reason not to believe what he has just said. And the truth of the matter is there's an abduction squad in town. So let everybody calm down and adhere to the principles of constitutionalism and the rule of law. We are a country under the rule of law, at least those of us who believe so, and we will work very hard to make sure that this country remains so. Thank you.
My name is Steve Wanga. I'm the one who was with Mheshimiwa. He was the one who was driving. I'm traumatized. I don't want to discuss about what happened, but it's a very, very bad state that we are in. Thank you.
Agosika mutu mwanchumugireria chinga kiomuraibwense ya Kenya Musike William Samoei Ruto eregenetie gochia gokore taraye asoro gongo rwagusi eikiego bono nigo okuyokoboria gose okoboria kwa rure gochia asaba gusibonsi kumarigania hase enchera esencherengija na kwenekya buna omuraibwense ya Kenya nkwarigani bware inka elio arenta magendero ime yorgongo rwagusi bokwana hane Ensoko TV nigo Dr. Dennis Sosi amo nomunyakonda Jared Atacha baburia bagusi bonsi gwetanga kurwa ase chito bauti chege siasa na kumarigania omuraibwense imeyense yo abo osime yorgongo rwagusi abo hasaba bonsi basemewe gokora emerimo ne serikali ale kakare abisi igosegwikirania hamagendero ase encheraragos ya bene.
Njeno Mheshimiwa Jared Osanatanja, and I'm also the leadership ya Kisii County Contractors Association. President Ngojere Gaiga Mambia Osmambinde 28th, I think. President Nawadri Bagali with Kisii because Kisii is part of Kenya. And there the president Nawatikia for Kisii to anything another Magendro Karago Kisii. Because it has been a tradition as a president, Karago and that's about Kisii. I want you on about the Kende. And we appreciate Kama and Red. aro tutagite before because there is no elections bono election yegoika tumagwana mana elections
Marieta ingoro kwa Apostle Dennis Sosi korwa Sekanza Glorious Live the Christian Center yigotoka so muchibo songo stadium mbale bale gase akagaja showground yane chinga gichingia intwe buna bagusi tuwasise niwe chinga kibune chiga asinge njo kara mukoli ya matuka akurumaega twabera tokonyora abara ibichinga njo ao asoro ngo twagusi ye koroki nga gusiye tunezesenirie na inde Nyasaye na tuanjerete na mama yetaba gusiba ito intu nigo tora abana bachore ba Nyasaye asinge njaba gusito bwa tomolembe nabo igo tokwaregania abantu ngaboniga nga tumanyete president yeito ya Republic ya Kenya Dr. William Samoei Ruto ngo cyale gotarira so mucyogusi na chinga kichiga igago cha gotara sengenjo ya magendero ayagenda takokorwa na momanyete gitiye tya gusingo chikoba kobareiwa agerekaro siwe karolekane nechi project ya ao egitwe igure chigo chikolonchiwa no gusaba kuane ngaba gusi asetu abeza 20 momatenga chinga kichiga ntubwate president erasigeti asinju chinga kitiraera kunale ko basaba asobonge na asobwanchani na asoba muri bo mugusi tochamo kumwarigania asinjuro nekarago chakoranga bagusi kende bachiramo nonyekeria bwate nabakonyorote bire ngatiga kebe asomuchye gusi
na togo tigara senseme yeyo yekumura ibwensa kera koretare aye ikiego chemero ngurwa gusi nigo bono yokuligie kergo okyobo chumbe wensemo yebunge ya kitucha che South Dr. Felix Hatisa wetera hase kiama keria kya UDA nigagenderere ko barigania hamenyi korwa asensemo yebunge yo ase obochori bwa grassroots elections gwe kiama kya UDA ubura chikokorekana omotienyo gocha gokwana ime yo mochebo songo nigo bono aeresire buna abagetutu babeire bagotigara mayaga asamagendero abwase amuganirie na komusaba umurayibwense William Ruto abe gakobenyora abamenyi ibakitutu cha South ase okobakorera ama agenderero anene ekero hitaro yaye herochi gokorekana eiki egocha
Tulikuwa na mkutano wetu, mkutano ambao umeandaliwa na my team tukishirikisha chama chetu cha United Democratic Alliance, chama tawala UDA. So tulikuwa tumepanga kama mjuavyo, tuko na ile tunaita grassroots election. So our determination ni kuhakikisha chama kiko na grassroots base na kiko imara kujipanga katika uchaguzi ujao, and most importantly katika constituency yetu ya Kitutu cha South pia najipanga kuwania hichi kiti cha ubunge mwaka ujao mwezi wa 8 tarehe 10. So kwa grassroots election kwa ile mipangilio ya chama tutakuwa na uchaguzi wa viongozi kutoka kila polling center. So leo nilikuwa nakutana na viongozi, wakilishi na my supporters from all the polling centers za constituency yetu mzima. Tuna expect akuje atusikize. Number 2, kuna various projects ambazo wameanzisha za barabara anakuja kufungua pande ya Kitutu Chache North, huko the airstrip expansion in Suneka. Pia we expect groundbreaking and commissioning of that project. Several roads in other constituency, but unfortunately in Kitutu Chache South we have no road that is coming to be opened. By the way, hakuna barabara inakuja kuzinduliwa, hakuna project ile tunaweza sema inakuja kuzinduliwa, and that is why tumesema hatuendi kunyamaza tena. We want projects in Kitutu Chache South also. There are many projects in Nyamira zinaenda kuzinduliwa, zingine zinaenda kukua commissioned. So ile tunajiuliza sisi kama wana Kitutu Chache South ni project gani ambayo anakuja kuzindua. Sisi tutamkaribisha, but we want to use this opportunity tuseme hatutaki kufika 2027 bila at least 30 to 50 tarmac road. Hiyo ndio kitu tunataka. Hatutaki kufika 2027 wakati vijiji zingine. Kitutu Chache South iko town. but it is not good unapata constituency yako town kuna vijiji baada havina stima. So hii ndio mambo sisi tunataka kumwambia na kumweleza, so that as he comes, tunataka wenzetu wa Kitutu Chache South we also feel the impact of government. Tunataka kusikia utamu ya serikali.
Ekegancha kia National Infrastructure Fund niko kirachi gokonya mono kugenderia emerobirio yengencho ya magendero ya serikali ayankorengana n'umuspika abwebunge nene Umuske Moses Masika Wetangula kukwana kurwa asensemo yebunge ya Buuri meye county ya Meru. Wetangula nigaenekia okwegena kwa yenga ense ya Kenya n'ekikonya kishiringi trillion 5 elio wikirania emerobirio ya magendero au yagati abo bwagachi w'ikinyumba chiriguriye insego se affordable housing chibara ebitibye chingego uchie chimeli kimanyekende muna ports yagati ya magendero ande nonya nigo Wetangula nigo aboliria abakenya borogongo orwa centro kubwa kutabaganwa na siasa chiobogesaku.
Hata hii safari ya kwenda Singapore yenye wabunge wamepitisha sheria National Infrastructure Fund kuleta pesa 5 trillion kubadilisha nchi yetu kwa mambo ya infrastructure, roads, airports, dams, housing, everything. Itafanyika where there is peace and where there is camaraderie among Kenyans. Hakuna mtu anataka kwenda Singapore. Hata wale skeptics wanasema haiwezekani. Katika roho zao, you always want today to be better than yesterday. Singapore is not going to that small island in Singapore. It's changing our development program and agenda to shift from a poor country to a middle-income country to a developed country. China transformed from a backward, primitive country to a first world country in 30 years. Lazima tupendane. Lazima tuheshimu uongozi ulioko. Kwa sababu wewe ukitaka kuongoza lazima uheshimu wale wanaongoza. Wakati yako ikifika, wewe pia utaheshimika. Siasa ya kugawanya watu, siasa ya kusema watu wetu, siasa ya kusema regioni yangu. Nyinyi si ni watu ya mlima hapa? Mimi natoka hapa, mimi natoka Elgon. Si Elgon pia ni mlima? Tena is the second highest mountain in Kenya. But we don't talk about it because we know Kenyans, whether from the mountains or from the lowlands or from the semi-desert or from the ocean or from the lake, are all Kenyans. Na ndivyo mimi nawaomba yenye watu ya Mount Kenya region, don't allow anybody to isolate you from the rest of Kenya.
Na gosikamutu mwancho mugireria nigobone kiama gia Ford Kenya igia gosareirie guchia kwerusia asebomo obwe byama bya Kenya kwanza ibibaro setia serikali asabo choria bonene bwa etete okwana kurwa asamaga cha manene ye kiama ekyo imeyo mochi Nairobi umuriki omonene ebwe kiama ekyo John Chikati nigo amochiri bororo hinkwana yo moseneta bwe county ya Nandi Omoske Samson Cheragei inga abarai ebe ebyama ebyo bwa Kenya kwanza onyeti bagochia agosiria na gutuguterare ebyama byabo na kuboterana ne kiama kiria kya UDA tibagocha konyora hegeta likende gionsi ase serikali yabochoria bore mutio mwako gocha Chikati nigo bona arure koboria gochia ase serikali gotigana na siasa ile wekania magendero ayo yalirete iraba Kenya.
Or the questions Kenyans are asking are, why are some UDA leaders on a mission to vanquish the very parties that secured their victory? What is the hidden agenda? What is the motivation? Instead of engaging in premature and divisive political realignments, we urge our coalition partners to remain focused on the promises we made to the electorate. Our energy should be spent on fulfilling the pledges that we made to the people of Kenya. In the recent remarks of Honorable Cherargei, he stated that leaders of political parties that will not fold by 2027 will not be considered for appointments in the next government. Is this a threat aimed at forcing leaders to fold their parties? Are they targeting specific individuals who hold senior positions within this government? Why are such reckless statements being made so casually? Even if this proposal was to be formally presented to us in Fort Kenya, our position remains unchanged, that Fort Kenya, the Simba Party, will not fold. I am so concerned by the glaring contradictions we are witnessing. On one hand, some UDA leaders are calling for dissolution of affiliate parties, while on the other hand, they are openly pursuing alliances with other parties like ODM. This kind of doublespeak raises serious questions about sincerity, consistency, and the true agenda behind these calls. We categorically reject the threats made by Honorable Cherargei and others who suggest that positions in government are contingent upon folding of our parties. Governance should be based on merit and pre-election agreements that formed this coalition, not on political blackmail.
Chiaptokire chidaike meronge bere igore chinsa ikomi chiabo no marago mwancho moirelia abuno ko ramangana mayese ntira yo bunge kurende inyoranga etimu yense ya Kenya mupiro yoragi bishuja niko bakoriri bagalia gatatu ase series ya kabere elia koreka nteme ya Montevideo imeyense ya Ulgu series ntangani ya koreka nteme yense ya Kenya agega mucho Nairobi imegeti Kenya Stadium motienyo eretete yegane ya kabere ya gatobono niko baro chimeyense ya Brazil ya sebara kore series ya gato na kogeria nkonyara baro bunyangongo niko bono shuja baretire bariato na kwena china kwirera ekiegwa kese na kwibwira ekiegwa akiria agia bronze tote bangambya mono ase timu Kenya Shujaa hamura baitu baragibi asokorokia egosori erengiya ime yensengima na wikarabwe na onkubutora tumase kwebanga murobiri bwanguria mareko nere edunyanga umwana mboka ko cherore kermutwe mwanyaga mareko ika enseya moya margoba asara chikunyara mangana maya senchera ere yobo ikranu Kelvin Mogoyi Brian Achaka amona Felicitas Kabendi amatukonsi bakomuruka misefu bonsi no beteregete mega yemenyonjo kwene kianga chibichamo na mariogi awikere hasenchera ire yabo tweru twara margoba oseseniri kwa Daniel Omwaga.